to the report by World Health Organization, an estimation revealed over 116 million women, that is 3.4%, are affected by PCOS. Today in Follow the Fives, we are going to talk about 5 poses that you must follow if you are suffering from PCOS. Number 1, Garland Pose. Start with feet about a mat's width apart. Bend your knees and lower your buttocks towards the floor to come into a squat position. Bring your hands in a prayer position. Now allow your thumbs to touch your sternum to help keep the chest lifted. Press the upper arms tricep inside your knees and stay engaged with your spine straight. Elbows press into the knees to open the hips. Extend the lower back and draw shoulder blades towards one another. Stay in this position for up to 5 breaths. Come out of it by straightening up your legs. Repeat the pose a total of 3 times. Bridge pose. Start by lying on your back with your knees folded and feet hip distance apart on the floor. Place your hands palm down beside your body. Inhale while slowly lifting your lower back, mid back and upper back off the floor. Gently roll the shoulders and bring the chest towards the chin. Keep thighs parallel to each other and the floor with all 4 corners of the feet pressed firmly into the ground. Now breathe slowly and stay in this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat up to 5 times. Next pose is the cat-cow pose. How to do it? Get in tabletop position with your palms down, wrists and elbows aligned under shoulders, knees under hips, ankles straight back from the knees. You can curl the toes under or tops of the feet down as the flow moves you. Inhale. Bend the elbows, lower the belly and lift the chin and the tailbone simultaneously, moving each of the vertebrae of the spinal column in a wave. Reverse the movement on an exhale by tucking the tailbone and chin and doming the back as you draw the navel towards the spine as the chin tips towards the chest. Repeat for the desired amount of times. Next, head to knee pose. How to do it? Sit down on a yoga mat. Extend the left leg to the corner of your mat. Foot flexed, back of the heel down, toes to the sky. The right knee is bent with the foot tucked as close as comfortable to the groin. Extend your arms over the legs, breathe in deeply and exhale, moving the upper body gently towards the left foot while slowly bringing your right arm in an arc over your head. Do 7 to 12 reps on each side. Reclined bound pose. How to do it? Sit on a mat with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your knees and bring your heels towards you to press the soles together. Your knees will drop to the sides. Lean backwards until your back is on the floor. Arms will be supported and open, palms up. Close your eyes and breathe deeply for 3 to 5 minutes or longer if you are comfortable. Be sure to come out of the pose mindfully by rolling to the right side and pausing there for several breaths and then up to seated or in any way that works best for you. Remember, stretching is only one part of an overall treatment plan for PCOS. Diet, cardiovascular exercises, strength training, mindfulness-based meditation and medication are all treatment options your doctor may recommend. It is advisable to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and follow this space for more such content.